How to add account on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to add another account on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on your profile. In order to add another account, you need to log out your first account. Now click on sign out. Once you click on sign out, now tap on sign in. Over here, you need to write down your another account Zangi number. Once you write down your Zangi number, and you need to write down your another password. Once you enter your password, you'll be able to log in into another account. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add account on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.